Look, we came to an indoor water park and then we still go outside. Dad's already getting a beer. Too many kids. Hi, Nyla. Hey, Elvira. Hello. We're at the Great Wolf Lounge hanging out. We want to be outside than inside. Jessica! Hi! Say hi to Jessica, Sophia! Say hi to Jessica! Hi, Jessica! Where's your brother? Oh, they're over there. You guys want to see inside real quick? It's really hot inside though. That's why we'd rather be outside than inside. Excuse me. I'll be right back, okay? Be with brother. Dad's right there. Inside. Hi, Ellie. I'll go back outside to Sophia real quick. I just wanted to show you inside. However, don't let the inside fool you. It's like so humid in here. It's probably like 80 degrees. So I'd rather be outside. It smells like feet up in here. No, I'm just kidding. It doesn't, but it's like sticky. Okay, let me go back outside. Still ordering his beer over there. Say hi to Ellie. She's watching.
Hi, Ellie.
Yeah, hi.
You're gonna come over tomorrow. Hi, your mom.
It's a date. Oh. And there's the boys. Oh, great. All right, you guys, we'll check in later. Everyone have a great day. What? Oh, I'll have to look at the video. I wasn't paying attention. Aw, Henry. Henry, you want to come over? he's all by the door. Let's go to Kimberly's. Say hi to Henry.
Hi, Henry. Make sure you ask Jessica if you come to our house.
All right, you guys, we'll check in later. Have a good day.